So hey everyone, I just want to say happy New Year's to everyone that is watching. I pray that everyone had a safe New Year's and brought it in, having a good time. I pray that we all have a blessed year, a prosperous year, a joyful year, just a year just full of success and just happiness. That's what I pray for each and every one of us. Okay, so today I'm going to be cooking brunch. I'm going to show you guys what we are cooking. And then also not just brunch, I'm gonna be also throwing dinner in the crock pot. So for brunch, we're gonna have sausage for my sister and Elijah. If y'all watch my cooking videos, y'all know that I have a picky eater, and so he don't eat the other meat that we eat. So we have sausage for him and my sister. We have some croissants. We're gonna use this. Rice is for dinner, and the chicken broth is for dinner. Well, I guess I could show y'all what's for brunch first, and then I'll get into dinner. Okay, so we got, like I said, the sausage, the croissants, and then for the people who do eat it or whatever the case may be, we're eating lamb chops. Those are the lamb chops. I have to clean them or whatever the case may be. I don't have them out right now, but we also are eating eggs with it, and that's like the last. So also I'm gonna cook some eggs with the brunch too. And then am I making grits? Are we making grits, y'all? Are we doing grits? Yeah, so we got some grits. I didn't pull that out, but we're gonna do grits. So we're gonna have sausage, lamb chops. I wish y'all could see. So we're gonna have sausage, lamb chops, grits, eggs, croissants for brunch, and mimosas, because we do have some champagne left from New Year's or whatever the case may be. Now for the dinner portion, I'm also just taking some of these lamb chops that's inside this sink or whatever the case may be, and I'm putting them in a crock pot, and we're gonna put them in a crock pot with some onions and some mushrooms. So got the crock pot ready, got the stuff ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the dinner portion. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by just putting chicken broth inside the crock pot, and this is for the dinner part. Lamb chops are going in here. So we just got some chicken broth. I'm gonna throw some onions in there. Let me put this away. Throw some onions in there. I'm gonna put some onions on the top also, and throw some mushrooms in that crock pot. Okay, so we got some onions and mushrooms. I'm gonna put lamb chops on top. So I'm gonna season up that water a little bit with chicken bouillon. Put chicken bouillon in there. So I'll just throw a chicken bouillon in there, and then I'm gonna put the top on there for now. Oh, hold on, let me put some minced garlic in there. Just put some minced garlic in there. I don't need too much of that. Just mix that around. Okay. So got that. Inside the crock pot. I'm gonna put the top on it just for now until I get done cleaning the meat and seasoning it. Go ahead and just throw their sausage in the oven. Their sausage can go in the oven now instead of just having it sit out. So we're gonna go ahead and clean these lamb chops. I don't even know if y'all can see. like my lamb chops cut thin, y'all. Some of these is cut thin, others not so much, but I like them thin. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna throw this away. Just gonna give them a quick little rinse off. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so now that we have these lamb chops rinsed off, just gonna try to get as much water as I can off of them. I'm gonna go ahead and season them up. Okay, y'all, this sink, we had just installed this sink and I'm loving it, y'all. When I say I'm loving this new sink, I'm loving it because we could just fit whole ass pan in here. If you watch the old videos I did, it was a two-sided sink. I love this big sink, I really do. Okay, so I'm gonna season them with some onion powder. Nice little decent amount. We're gonna do some garlic powder. Oh, this one not even open, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna do some accent. Just a little one-time pass. Accent on there. We're gonna do some Lorry's. Here go a garlic powder. That's over. This one ain't getting no love over there in the corner, baby. Some garlic powder. Okay. And then we're gonna put just a little bit of this on there. I can hear you. What's up, Nene? She not saying nothing. You got it on speaker still?
Yes.
I don't know. You're not saying nothing. Okay, so now that I got that all in there, I'm just gonna top it off with a layer of seasoning, some garlic, onion, and then just a little bit of that. Just like that. So gonna okay, so for those lamb chops inside the crock pot, I'm just gonna let those cook for about 6 hours inside there, and then they'll be done, and then I'll cook rice on the side, and then that's dinner. So let's go ahead and get started with this brunch. So I got the grease heating up over here, nice and hot in the pan. We're gonna put it on medium heat, It should be hot already. So we got the lamb chops already there. Let me check this sausage because we did put that inside the oven. Sausage still cooking. Okay. All right, so we about to go ahead and drop these lamb chops inside this grease, and then we'll start with the side dishes. Earl, you will hold this camera real quick, unless you busy. I just want you to hold this real quick while I drop some lamb chops in the grease. Show them. They want to see it hit that fire. You know they want to hear it. That's probably enough for now, right? What you think?
What you think? I don't know. Drop one more in there.
There we go.
There you go.
Alright, y'all. So now that the lamb chops are deep frying, I'm going to go ahead and start getting the eggs and grits together. I was about to roll it backwards. Oh, the croissants! Look, I done burnt them.
Put that on the got the video on that.
Mm.
Right, don't let this
I'm
YouTube
about to-
know you burnt it. Tell YouTube, man, you was doing too much. You got to start all over. We got another. Them ain't even burnt, man. If you don't fool.
You always say them croissants be burnt if they look like that.
No, I don't.
Y'all, what y'all think? Is them croissants burnt or them edible? Makes them more or take them?
Look at the bottom. They good.
Tyra, what do you think should be the last thing you cook? Is it eggs or grits? They had a debate on they was having a debate on internet. I don't remember which one. Grits still taste good. You can warm them up and stay cold. Eggs, if you warm them up, they was having a debate on what's the order that you should cook breakfast food in.
You need to be dropping some butter in there.
Like she's scraping the bottom of that pan. Oh. Y'all ain't see that. Right.
If they did see that, all that old Russian and shit, just cook the shit. Quit acting like that.
My hand hot as hell.
Get a bigger spoon. Why you got that little ass spoon?
Nigga, you know we don't got that many dishes. Don't do that. Talking about get a bigger spoon. Like we got a lot of dishes. And if I had a bigger spoon, you be talking about, so why you cooking with a plastic spoon?
No, I wouldn't be.
Them plastic spoons burn. Okay, that's cool, babe.
Alright.
What is shot? Earl Daddy bald headed. Oh, I don't know. Everything that I'm done with is the lamb chops. We got eggs, we have sausage, we have some croissants right there, and then we got grits. So we about to go ahead and dig in. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Of course, like I said, the dinner is in a crock pot. I'm not gonna get back on camera and show y'all me cooking no rice. I've already showed rice on my channel several times. I'm pretty sure if y'all don't know how to make rice or y'all ain't seen me make rice, go check out one of them old videos. But until next time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh no, I can't close it out right now. You supposed to do our mimosas.
Okay.
Alright, come on, guys.
Yo, we gonna get mimosas also, so let me go ahead and make these kids plates.
About to fly off.
For real? For real?
No, I swear.
It's about to fly off for real?
It's gonna pop up. It's gonna.
Ooh. What's that?
Popping bottles.
I had to put my what's the name right there over there.
Oh, you did good.
I'm happy that he
Oh, I knew.
yeah, because if it was me, that bitch would have hit me in the
Oh, so it
face.
be doing all that because people be shaking it.
No, I do that. It was the one in the air hit my hand.
Oh.
He covered it up with his hand.
Oh.
No. It probably don't matter if we do the orange juice or that first, huh?
I fucked that up. We gonna fuck the tip.
Not too much for Tyra B.
Okay, that's it right there.
Oh,
That's it
yeah.
right there. This is me. I can't believe how much this dumbass orange juice costs nowadays.
Man, how much eggs cost?
Man, this orange juice costs $10.
For real?
Yeah,
We finna start making orange juice at home.
Man, what? Go get some fucking oranges and squeeze them bitches. All right. Here you go, Tyra.
Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. All right, guys. So this is the end of the video. We are about to go ahead and enjoy breakfast, or brunch should I say, because it is the afternoon. We better go ahead and enjoy brunch. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, a happy New Year's to each and every single last one of you guys. I hope you had a safe one, and until next time.